Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Epic account is linked and Rocket League is fully updated. This prevents missing purchases. Once done, check your credits balance or set up a payment method because buying is the only guaranteed way to get new car bodies. Next, choose your route. Item Shop for single cars, Rocket Pass for multiple unlocks, or Official DLC for licensed bodies. Make that selection now and move directly into the store interface to buy what you want. Open the Item Shop or Rocket Pass screen and locate the car body you intend to unlock. Then, confirm the cost in credits or the tier you must reach. This is where you spend credits or claim the reward after unlocking tiers. When you confirm the purchase, follow the on-screen prompts to finalize payment and receive the item. After the transaction completes, watch the unlock animation and verify the car appears in your inventory. This confirms the purchase was successful and the body is now owned. To finish, open Garage, go to Bodies, find the newly unlocked car, and equip it to use immediately in matches. If the car does not appear, first restart Rocket League and recheck your inventory and transaction history. Sometimes server sync takes a minute. If restarting doesn't fix it, verify your Epic account linkage and keep your purchase receipt or credits log handy. Then contact Fanatics support. Include the receipt and account details so they can restore the item quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.